good stuff, huh?
Good stuff. Yahoo! Yahoo!
This morning.
Pretty good.
Good job.
I can't think I got it on video.
Did you see the family picture?
All in.
Mom moved it again.
You're gonna eat the whole thing?
Yup.
I don't know if it's really eating so much, just putting it in smaller and smaller pieces.
Yeah. He's a little overwhelming, you know. He's like, what am I going to do with this thing? It's the size of my head. Well, I'm going to fit it in there.
Could have given you a bigger one.
You'll fit it, huh? Yep.
That's what I was thinking.
Greatest tools you'll ever own.
What's that one about there? I'd be like, oh, yeah.
No doubt about
Greatest
that.
tools right there, buddy.
Works good for me. Works perfectly.
What? Send one of the family pictures to Robbie's dad. He's actually going back over there tomorrow. So,
How's he
Wow.
doing?
I don't know.
Yeah. He worked his 2 hours, time for the 15-minute break.
Friday he had to go to the police station.
Is that good?
Officially finished the investigation.
You should have some. You want some of mine? I'll crunch it up for you. Try it
This way.
Let
If
me
you
fix
eat it in
for
really
you.
small pieces, it tastes even better.
That was
Over here, I'll feed you.
Oh yeah, cream cheese. It's good.
that's kind of what I'm getting with my nut.
That's the best part. He's got the cream cheese in one hand and he's got the cake in the other, and he's
Yep,
alternating.
just like, bump, bump, bump.
Yeah, my dad didn't write it down.
Which one do you like more? You gotta try it again and see if you like it.
I like it all. I like it all. I want it all. I need it all. I need it all.
Yeah.